Are you ready to revolutionize your video content with AI? In today's fast-paced digital landscape, video content creators face immense pressure to consistently produce high-quality, engaging videos at scale. But what if you could double your productivity and unleash your creativity overnight? That's where AI-powered video editing tools come in, transforming the way we create and edit videos. The power of AI in video editing. AI is revolutionizing video editing by automating tedious tasks, enhancing creativity, and making professional-grade tools accessible to creators at all levels. Here are some key ways AI is changing the game. 1. Intelligent editing. AI-powered software like Adobe Premiere Pro uses machine learning to automate editing tasks like cutting clips, applying transitions, and suggesting edits based on your style. 1. This streamlines your workflow and frees up time for creativity. 2. Voice-controlled functionality. Emerging AI tools allow you to edit videos hands-free using voice commands. 2. Adjust audio levels, apply effects, and add transitions without ever touching your keyboard. 3. Automated subtitles. Adding subtitles improves accessibility and engagement, but manually transcribing is tedious. AI speech-to-text tools like Otter.ai and Rev.com generate accurate subtitles in minutes. 4. Visual enhancements. AI upscaling tools like Topaz Video Enhance AI can transform low-res footage into crisp 4K video. 4. Other AI tools automatically optimize lighting, color, and audio quality. 5. Personalized content. By analyzing user data and engagement, AI can help you create hyper-targeted videos tailored to individual viewers. 5. Deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. Real-world AI video editing success stories. These AI-powered tools aren't just theoretical. They're already making a huge impact for video creators. 1. Doubling subscribers, aspiring YouTuber. Sarah struggled with editing until she discovered AI-powered software. 1. In just 6 months, she doubled her subscribers by creating more videos in less time. 2. Night and day quality. One creator shared a side-by-side of a manually edited video versus one enhanced with AI tools like Topaz and Aphonic. 2. The difference in visual and audio quality was astonishing. 3. Empowering businesses. Companies are harnessing AI video tools to easily create professional marketing and training videos in-house. 3. Sales teams can quickly make personalized pitches without outside help. The future of AI in video creation. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more game-changing tools and trends. 1. Real-time rendering. Instantaneous, high-quality rendering will enable creators to see their edits and effects in real time, shortening feedback loops. 2. Intelligent cinematography. AI-driven cameras will dynamically adjust framing, composition, and settings to get the perfect shot with minimal manual setup. 3. VR/AR integration. Editors will be able to work inside immersive 3D spaces, interacting with video elements in virtual or augmented reality for unprecedented control and creativity. 4. Cloud collaboration. Web-based AI tools will allow teams to edit projects together in real time, regardless of location. 4. Centralized cloud storage will provide secure remote access. Embrace the AI-powered future of video. The future of video editing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. By embracing these innovative AI tools, you can 1. Save countless hours on mundane editing tasks. 2. Maximize your creative potential. 3. Achieve professional quality results. 4. Captivate your audience with personalized, high-impact videos. 5. Gain an edge in an increasingly competitive content landscape. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, seasoned videographer, or enterprising brand, now is the time to explore how AI can elevate your video creation process. Experiment with tools like intelligent editing software, automated subtitling, and AI-powered optimization to see the difference for yourself. As AI video editing technology continues to evolve, it will unlock even more opportunities to push the boundaries of what's possible. Immersive VR editing, instantaneous rendering, and hyper-personalized content are just a few of the exciting developments on the horizon. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and experience the power of AI to revolutionize your videos. With these game-changing tools at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can create. Your most engaging, impactful, and efficient video content awaits.